So real gamers will be aware that way back when I said that Here Comes Nico, which is what we're listening to right now, was a fun game but too expensive, because I beat it in 4 hours and it was $25. But honestly, I just reinstalled it right before starting the stream because I got a hankering to play it again, so I guess it can't be too bad. It might be what I need after this, whatever it's called, development of a video game, I guess is the phrase that we would use. But alright, so what did I do yesterday? I guess a lot. I guess, well, I'm working 3 hours a day here, so that's basically crunch for me. Also, I really would love to fix this bug, but honestly, I think it's a bit outside of my scope, because I don't know what's happening there. Because it's basically, as I Alt-Tab, when it's loading, it then repositions the screen in the wrong place. I think what I'll do is I'll make the game windowed by default, and that way, players will hopefully not experience that bug. And also, her hair is really, like, jiggling around. Like, there's something off with it. Hang on. I'm gonna set this back to 144. Because right now it's not. Actually, I might even put that in my... here. Like... But okay, I should probably not play around too much, because I got bugs to fix, so... if you haven't seen the game, here's the game. And you should be able to see it Monday, when I release the demo. Come hell or high water. Alright, so what did I do? Right. Last night, in a fugue state, I implemented, whatever I implemented. Yeah, Here Comes Nico has very good movement. It's super, super fun, super bouncy, very, vertical. Like, I was able to cheese a bunch of stuff. Well, I guess maybe not cheese, necessarily. But okay, here's an area where I should probably make this look, better. That's on the to-do list. Alright. Is there stuff... I don't know if there's anything here that I actually, like... So I wanted to test this to make sure that it works well. Yeah, it all works. Okay, that seems to work fine. Because there's... the changes there are very subtle anyway, so if there's a bug, who cares? Alright, fix the preview... Jackie's preview hair in the inventory. So I think that's, excuse me. This. So yeah, we have, player description. Jackie preview.tscn. What do I need here? Well, why is this default hair still here? I don't get this. Like, I deleted this from Blender ages ago, but oh well. Let's get her hair. very politely. I guess I can't. That was too much to ask of it. Let's not do this. I want to do something a bit more graceful here. And while we're here, let's also do the other thing. Because I wanted to make the UI look better. Excuse me. But I'm happy with how many bugs have been fixed so far. So hopefully I can keep that up. And if I can't, the preview will just be buggy, and that'll be fine. Ooh, this will be fun, because I can only see it in preview mode. Actually, what can I do? Can I set an environment? I can. Okay. Let's set it to be like pink or purple or whatever this is. Let's just remove this for now, because I'll just edit this in real time. Alright, well, I'm seeing some fun stuff here with her hair. So how exactly? How exactly does this literally... Wait, okay, so now the code is exactly the same as it was. Alright, we're like 2 seconds into the stream and I'm already angry. At some new, completely inexplicable bug. There's been a lot of inexplicable bugs that I've had to exploit at this point. Okay, what? Okay, hang on. What has changed? Oh, what the hell? What am I, stupid? I'm taking like a month off after this. Like, I'm actually gonna lock my computer in like a cabinet or something. Okay, and the hair was jittering because of that frame rate variable stuff. I do really want to make it... Oh, what the hell did I do here? Okay. Hang on. What did I do here? Let's just git checkout UI slash... Okay, does the inventory... How did I break it? Hang on. What I'm gonna do... Let's make this its own scene. Wait, no. Let's make, Why is the... Oh, I remember why it's on a camera. Or on a spring arm. Because that's to zoom it in and out, and rotate around some fixed object. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new scene. Wait, no, I'm not going to do that, because that doesn't actually help me with anything. Because what I want is this environment. So let's just save this environment as, So can I figure out... Can I figure out how to do this without breaking the inventory? Let's reset it first. So the inventory should not break into a million pieces now. It should not be completely ruined. I am kind of impressed I managed to break so many things so quickly. Okay, so that is working now. Can I, just surgically, as delicately as I can... Okay, let's not look at anything. Let's not touch anything. This environment needs to be this environment. Have we changed anything else? I see changes here that I don't like. I see a bunch of changes to a bunch of margins and things. Okay, you know what? Let's copy that. Then let's do... Let's surgically do this. So I'll just put in bugs for post-release. Because I don't want to deal with that right now. So this is the environment. Do I need a procedural sky? No, I shouldn't need any of these. So let's put this in. Type environment ID equals... I'm gonna say it's 3. So that way I don't have to change any of these. Alright, now let's see if that works. I see bugs. I see bugs here. Okay, hang on. Stop the madness. I've done something wrong. Okay, I see. It's because it's an external resource, not a sub-resource. Phew. So now I can maybe begin work making that look right. Let's do ambient light sky contribution, nothing. Let's do like a dark, or like a purple to like a bright purple, or like a bright warm pink. Or peach, this will be nice. Could be a little bit too saturated, but we'll see. It's very... Okay, so it's not working how I want it to. I might have to change the background to just nothing for now. Yeah, because now the ambient, or now that looks good, but now the inventory preview doesn't look good. So let's make a custom color then, maybe. Let's make it like a pinkish color. I do miss the gradient now. And also her face still needs... I'm going to put in the bugs. So where should I prioritize fixing Jackie's face? And some of these bugs I'm going to leave after some of the content. That seems good enough. Oh wait, I forgot that I was actually supposed to fix the player's hair first. I mean, does the player's hair have any problems now, actually? Because it might be... Actually, no, it should be fine now. Because it was disabling the physics process. Because, yeah, now the player's hair... No, actually, I have an idea. I know exactly what to do. If not global.get player return. And then I'm going to do, for the IK target, if not global.get player set false. And then I don't need to worry about this part. So this will mean that Jackie's hair is completely rock solid in the inventory editor, or viewer, whatever it is. Well, that'll be fine. It doesn't... It's not right. I don't get it. Oh wait, I think it's because it actually uses the player, like, mesh? I forget what it does for this. But hang on, what is this? Oh wait, no, it's because it doesn't matter that the global target is here. It matters that it's in here. So what I need to do... And I can fix this actually really easily. Where's the IK break? Where's the whatever thing that I need? Oh wait, no, it is in hair. What if I do, like... What if I just remove the script from this preview? So yeah, I forgot that all that stuff is useless. So yeah, now there's no hair flipping around, which is, I guess, kind of sad. But I also don't like how janky it looked. And then the player can, like, get up to her face. And admire all the details of her poorly modeled cheekbones. And the slight lumpiness of her face. And also the very well done texture on her knees. Alright, try to complete already completed task, activate the medium. Okay, that's fine. Let's do, actually, let's fix that real quick. So, if task is complete. Oh wait, yeah, let's do is... Oh wait, no, it should actually be is complete. So if it's not complete... So this means either the task doesn't exist or it's active. Yeah, because otherwise I would have subtle bugs with the assumed behavior that I had already. Alright, that looks good. Let's put a hoverboard. I guess this is technically content. And... I would like to tutorialize resetting, but maybe I'll just not. Yeah, I'll just not. Or I'll put it at the bottom of content. So yeah, within the demo area... Slowly but surely. Yeah. I want to put something... What was I even doing? Somewhere in here, I want a hoverboard. Maybe I'll put it like... Maybe I'll put a little cave in here. So which chunk is this? 125? Yeah, I could put a little cave in 125. I'm going to do that. Wait, no. The entire reason for that was because I already have that little tower at the top of 126, and there's nothing at the top now. So yeah, let's put a little hoverboard here. Which chunk was it in? I need to just make, like, dedicated items. Or, like, I want, like, a list of entities that I can, like, create pickups for. Do I have a hover scooter in here? I don't think I do. Let's go to 97. Yeah, here it is. Maybe. Yep. Oh, it uses the old mesh too. Hang on, I need to get this from the... Oh, I guess it's in here. Okay, there we go. I think it's emissive, actually. Yeah, that looks like it's an emissive texture. That's fine. I really do need sound effects, but I don't, I don't know when I do them. Because I don't really do them on stream. Let's see, sometimes Riley has no enemies. I still don't know how to test that. Gems aren't hiding at distance anymore. Nope, they are hiding. Medium slight animation pop when dialogue ends. Put reflection probes in better place. These ones... I'll do this one. I think the animation pops are going to take a bit, and I don't want to deal with it. Because I want to do a bunch of content Saturday. And then I guess maybe Sunday afternoon I would do... Because I have stuff to do on Sunday. Alright, whatever. Let's just close tabs to the right. Yeah, literally as I was going to sleep, I was like, wait, I can do this better. Because I need it to be an interior. And I can just slop it to the side like this. I guess, let's shorten it a little bit, because it doesn't need to be quite this tall. And I'll... Hey, wait, also, all three of these need to extend out a little bit further. Is it? Hang on, I need to reset its rotation. There we go, good enough. And then I'll do a very small one right up here. And surely having like 8 reflection probes in here will not cause performance issues as it loads in. And this area is currently never opened, so that's fine. What did I do with this one? Oh, right, I didn't fix this one. Because they're too short. And the rotation is wrong, because it's... Wait, maybe the wall is just not even? I think the wall is just uneven. What the hell? Bad video game. Quite frankly. The walls aren't even vertical. Alright, and here... I think I can very slightly move this down, maybe? And then this place is fine, and then there will be a little seam between those two. Then I'm gonna just make this like, for this little area. I guess I'll do the same for the other side as well. So how many reflection probes is this? Like 7 in this one area? I mean, I guess they don't render the sun, and they don't render shadows. So they shouldn't be too bad. And plus they only render their, like, extents. Alright, I forgot. Now I can just, what the hell? My Control-Z stopped working. I think that's like the 3rd time that's happened. Let's push this forward. Maybe let's make it even a little darker, like here. Oh wait, now it's, Alright, and this also shouldn't affect 17. I think that's how that works. Let's see if things work how I want them to work with this. Because I might have to push those reflection probes a little bit more. Actually, I kind of like that, actually, because it makes that hallway there a little bit darker. Alright, that's good enough. And there's a little bit of funk with the lighting here, but it looks kind of intentional because it's symmetrical. You know, it's like you know, musicians say, if you mess up something, just do it twice, and people will think it's on purpose. They'll think it's jazz. But also I'm going to push this a little bit further as well, because I want it to, like, squeeze out there. I think that's a good way to describe it. Oh, wait, no, that was why I didn't have that. Actually, I just had a great idea. See, this is why they pay me the big bucks. Because it, hang on. I think I can get this. Just perfectly matched. Oh, right, Control-Z is still not working. You know what? They'll just assume that it's supposed to be dark there. No, that just looks bad, honestly. That, how does Control S work, but Control Z doesn't work? I need a scientist to explain this to me. I need a priest to explain this to me. You know, like, what have I done wrong as a person? That Control Z doesn't work, but all my other shortcuts do, and every other key button does. Also, I'm going to put that in bugs. And I'm going to say, beautifully done. Slide animation pop when dialogue ends. Let's put that at the bottom. Not the bottom of content, the bottom of bugs. I actually think the variable frame rate's kind of important. This bug is still... I think it's more important than that one, but... I don't know if I can... I don't know how fixable this is, actually. Because, like... It's just... It just seems like it's random. And this one's kind of going to be time-consuming. Let's do this one. So I want an indicator in both dialogue and the gaming world. So I guess this will be one of those things that is just on top of the UI. Well, actually, maybe not. So, if we go here, I want it to be here and here. What can I do that is valid in both of these worlds? Because we also have the game UI. And the reset bar, and the item get. And this, and this, and this, and this, and this. I'm going to say item get can be its own thing. So what is the signal for this thing? Export string format. So I'm going to save this as a scene. Wait, I'm actually gonna say this is not text, or it's a format, or I guess so it can be an array or a string, or like a single value. And let's just do show. Or I guess show alert. I don't know why it resets my position. There's just so many little things. So it's show alert. What is this? Where's this debug stuff from? Hang on. Debug. Let's do like so this will be note get. And then I'll also just duplicate that for dialogue. Oh, do I not connect anywhere? Whoa, weird. I guess maybe I do it in the UI. Yeah, I do. Okay. Gaming/note get dot show alert. I should honestly make the UI its own node, or its own scene, but well, I guess I don't really need to. Could be nice, but Alright, let's do add note. Journal updated. So I think everything uses that, like task note. Oh wait, no, they do the task note thing, don't they? Yeah, because they have their own system. Hmm. I'm also gonna move this, like, here, maybe? I guess I should just see if this, like, works properly. Also, these should be hidden by default. New journal entry, people/mum. Maybe I just need, like, a full, like, notification system. So that way I can, like, queue them up, like, in the corner or something. I'll have to figure out how I want to do that in the future. And also, yeah, okay, so in dialogue and in... Let's just move this to the bottom. Because it's not as important. Well, let's call it bottom wide here. So that way it's a bit more subtle. Because the player doesn't need to know, like, and immediately go and get it. Like they do with items. And plus you get a lot of journal entries. So yeah, that should give just a little indicator for the player that they have a journal. Because that's really all they need to know. Because, like, it's not super integral to, like, the gameplay right now. Alright. That seems to work. So I'll just assume that it does. Oh wait, that's the wrong thing that I want. And I don't need this anymore. Those are important. I don't need to load or indicate every time that I load a save, I don't think. Well, no, that could be useful. Hmm. How can I do this? Where's my map zoom in? Wheel up? I guess that makes sense to zoom in, and then zoom out would be wheel down. And then let's do if not input dot, wait, no, if input dot mouse mode not equal to input dot captured, then equals mouse. How do I get the mouse position? Get global mouse position. Okay. Let's see how this works. Because I want this game to be somewhat playable on with keyboard and mouse, even though I almost always use controller and think it's way better. Alright, look at that. And then you can use the arrow keys to move currently, and I'll just add panning. Because it's a weird combination here. And then if I do this... Huh. It should re-hide the mouse. I guess... Well, no, I guess I deliberately didn't do that. There's a reason I remember. It's a little jank. Like how it, like... Oh, it's because there's the magnetism of the analog stick. How is it only going the wrong way? I wanted to try and finagle it this way. No, it only goes the wrong way. Okay. Let's do hmm. Let's remove snapping. And let's also have Let's put it like the bottom here. And I'll put up here. If the mouse is invisible, there is no mouse accumulation. Oh wait, this won't quite work the way that I want it to though. I don't need to test it right now. If input.is button pressed 0, which one is? Oh, is mouse button pressed. Button list dot button list. I'll just say that. I guess, and... Yeah, so you can click and drag, and when it's up, it won't snap your thing to your thing. So then you can go to map, and you can pan. Beautiful, it works exactly as described, as I've foretold. And it doesn't mess up your stuff, and then if you go back to it in the middle of this, it'll not do what it's doing. That's good, I think. It's still a little bit jank because it's not hidden. Hold the phone. Why can I not click on anything? Is there something? Is it in front of something? What is happening? Oh, I just realized. It's because the reticle, maybe? Yeah, exactly this, I think. Or this. Hang on, visibility material. Input? What if I just change this to just like a sprite? Because I wanted a sprite anyway. And that way it won't look so bad. Because it's because this color rect is in front of the mouse, I think. Or blocking the mouse. And is like absorbing all the clicks for me. I mean, I guess I can just double check by having this for a second. Huh? Oh, right. This is correct. Yeah, okay, so that is exactly... This reticle has to have a sprite instead of that. Let's do, like, 64 by 64. Because I remember what I wanted for this. It was something like, let's get a nicer thing. Yeah, that looks okay enough. Select opaque. Grow that by like 1.5. And then let's call this project UI map PNG. And we are storing the alpha channel. Because this will now be a Reddit or a sprite. Now let's see if it works. Alright, that seems pretty good. And then the journal works, and then this inventory, I can make that work. This, I'll have to figure out how I want to do that. Actually, I know exactly how to do that. Because it needs to be in, because it's using the player's rotation, or camera rotation. Okay, that's fine. So I have mouse controls, so panning by click and drag. Click to rotate in inventory preview and wardrobe. Oh wait, I may have to reconcile with this. Size flags, vertical expand, yeah. And then this does not expand, I guess. Let's do like, I guess 400's fine there. Viewport container. So this thing, I think. So why is this all screwed up then? Because it seems like it makes sense. But it's like, that's clearly not what I want. Like, 'cause it's supposed to expand. It's supposed to be like, boom, you know? Maybe I can make like the display change size, so no, that's not. How do I change the default like window size? Because this is like not. Well, actually, I guess I know what it is, so. It's like, this is just not correct. Why is it not growing? Is it wider than it was before? Alright, to zoom... Huh. The scroll wheel doesn't work here. Hoping it would. Because you have to hold space and Alt to zoom in and out, which is, dumb. Okay, I really... I mean, it's improved? Is it the... Oh, is it this? No, that doesn't... That didn't... It doesn't... I mean, I guess... Okay. Okay. It seems like it was that horizontal separation. Somehow. I don't know quite what happened, but it seems like now it's doing pretty good. No, it's not. Hang on. Large items. Size flags. It will not fill horizontally. And this will also not fill horizontally. So that only leaves this to fill. I don't get it. I don't get what's happening. Is it the box? Is it... Am I doing something wrong? Anchor. Grow direction. Maybe it has to be like center or end or something? But it straight up isn't... So it's like this straight up just is not the right size. Like, can I make it bigger? Because, like, if your screen is itty-bitty, I guess this is fine. Maybe it's the fact that this viewport might need to be... I don't... I think it's because of this 512 by 512. Maybe I need to do, like... No, it's still... It's like, one, it's the wrong aspect ratio, and it's just straight up cut off, which are two things that it's just not, explicitly not supposed to do. It's not, it's a square. It's supposed to be a square. I mean, that... But it's like, literally, what is this goddamn space here? Why is there space between them? Why did it work? It's like, why? How? What changed? But I guess, why did these change, and why are they overwritten by the whatever is here? Like, how did these like... Uh-oh. These have to be smaller, or not, like, blocking the buttons. Actually, why are they at the top? Why did I put them at the top here, when I could have just put them on the bottom? Hang on. So, goodbye to gaming, goodbye to dialogue. Hello, not that one. Status menu. Oh, right, it's because the text, if the text gets bigger, it pushes things down. It never pushes things up, even if you're aligned to the bottom. Oh, well, I think that's a more... Let's just have it like... and the date and time. Hopefully this doesn't mess with anything important. But that should fix that little bug. I can't believe that the thing that I have to figure out is why, through literally just opening the file, my inventory is screwed up now. Like, completely screwed up. Wait, why was it so much? Oh, okay. It's because it was scaling the window. Oh wait, now it's just working. What? Huh? I resized the window and now it works. What do I have to do now? What does that mean? I'm gonna, like, cry. This is an assault on my mental health. So it works, it looks good. Sorta good. But then I assume at startup it's gonna be completely screwed up, right? Is the UI, like, sized before... I don't get it. I'm putting that back where it was. Let's put... Because that's not going to fix that. Let's undo this. So yeah, no override on separation. Let's undo that. I assume it must be something to do with how I set up my Windows stuff. Maybe it loads, but then why did it work until I opened it? I'm realizing that now. Why did it work until I opened it? Why is it doing this now? And then and now it's fine. Also, it had the controller prompt even though I clearly pressed escape to open it, so I don't know what that's about. What if I just have it hidden by default? And then I just, on visibility changed. We just do, like, because it could be because I'm loading the scene here. But, no, okay, I need to stop thinking of theories of why this happened, because none of them are going to work, because there's the completely inexplicable reality of this, of whatever nonsense is going on here. Like, maybe if I call deferred. And then there'll be one frame where it's not there, which I guess I'll have to live with. No, okay, so that doesn't help either. So let's just not deal with that then. So it's just... I'm so angry at this. I just wanted to change. I just wanted to pan the mouse. Alright, whatever. Let's do function input. Alright, hang on. We also need to make sure the map. So set active. I should have just not opened this inventory screen at all. But I wanted to control the light. I wanted to fiddle with that. And it's also like, it's unjust. I will not stand by it. It's the principle of it. I should be allowed to edit my files without permanently breaking them in ways that are impossible to figure out. I should be able to at least look at it without killing it instantly. So where's my mouse? How do I do mouse sensitivity? Oh, it's in camera rig, right. Let's have that be in like settings or something. Did I set up... Okay. Did I set this up wrong? Is there anything in here that I need to do to fix this? It's like, what happens if I just fiddle with this? So it gets bigger, and it gets smaller. So it's like, it works in here. This is doing the correct thing, because it has to be square, and it has to maintain its size, and it tries to be as big as it can be. Okay, so that means that there's something wrong here, maybe. So if I go to tabs and I go to inventory and I open this. No, but this shouldn't affect it either, because the tabs... I won't do that. I don't even remember what I was doing. Oh yeah, I was making the rotation, and I didn't fix that yet. So let's also do, oh, I already have ready here, Okay, let's at least see if the rotation works. So I should just click and drag, and then it rotates. And it'll rotate with the same sensitivity as the camera, the whatever it is. Oh my god. Is it cam rig? Maybe it's just camera? Okay, what the fuck is it? Cam rig, okay. Oh, right, because... Because ready isn't called in the wrong... I called it in the wrong order. Alright, I have to make just a back button in here. I'm actually gonna do that right now, because that's making me mad. I'm tired of things making me mad. And I really need to fix... So that Alt-Tab bug is getting me really mad as well. And let's also add a button in each of these for back buttons. Okay, so I've made a signal for all of these, and it should just work generically for all of them. So let's test it and see what new insane bug I've created. Completely unreasonable, unfixable, impossible to deal with bug. Though honestly, I think the real issue is, I think it is genuinely, it must be because I start the game in a smaller window, and then I load the new scene. It must be that. I didn't even test what I was meaning to test. It's so frustrating living inside my mind. the bars disappeared. There was a bar here. It's disappeared. Oh, right. It's because I didn't press the... It's because... Wait, no. No, because... Did I put it in the wrong signal? On back pressed. On... Oh, okay. Cool. It was just... Okay, good. I also need to make it so that these are actually disabled, but maybe that doesn't matter too much. What I really, really need, though, is to load the options menu earlier than this. Actually, I know exactly how to do that. No, I don't. So this is the widget. This is the main thing. Let's, you know what, let's... So I'm going to try to fix that little global setting, so wherever that was, put options into global magic, not a blah blah blah. Click to rotate in the wardrobe. Actually, I guess first I should do this one. And this one will be in content, because it's not really that useful. Or I should say necessary. No, they are omitted. How do I ignore warnings? Hang on. Godot, ignore warning. Okay. Project settings, warnings. because I regularly call it deferred and call it through like connecting things, so it's like it just is not convenient. All right, that should be good, and then eventually I can just rename this to options menu at some point, but let's go to global. And let's just say like oh god, I need... Oh crap. This is gonna be a nightmare, actually. Because I need to completely redo my This is awful. This is the worst thing that's ever happened to me. I'm gonna create a new thing. So settings. UI. Node be in management. New scene. Wait, what did I do? How does the options menu work? How do I export? Array script. Okay, that's exactly how it works. I did not remember that you could do that. So we need to completely separate the options menu thing here. Can I figure out settings? No, no. What if I get one of these settings things? Hmm. Oh, okay. They actually have a thing here. Actually, let's see here if I can do this all. Load from. Ugh. Hmm. So menu dot load from. Okay, so I need to re-evaluate this. So if let's do if not sub has, or let's do like, so if not section in. Hmm. Relaxing Animal Crossing music compilation, 1 hour. Alright, I'll just put the YouTube link to that here. Hmm. Alright, let's do, oh, okay. Guess I don't need that. Well, actually, I guess I won't fiddle with it too much. I won't change things arbitrarily, I guess. So, options, dot. Okay, and then let's get save settings. Do I need this here? I'll do like exit tree. Hang on, was I actually accidentally using the error operator at all? No, I thought I was for a second. Okay, option equals options, and then options script. So I can get the script, and then I can reevaluate that. And so this one, I'm almost certain this is never used, and that instead I use this one. I guess this is fine. Actually, this wasn't too bad, I don't think. Let's just see if this... Let's just run this. So basically, I've separated out... I have an options menu, and it used to be that it was automatically... what the heck is this? Oh, right. The bind has to be an array. Basically, it was only loading the options when the options menu, like the UI for it, loaded. But now it should actually have basically two separate nodes, one for actually loading the options. Invalid get unindex audio options. Oh, wait. If not. Okay, let's go to the pause menu. Let's set these properly. Oh, right. So I'll probably have to readjust my options, but this should be fine, I think. Because basically I should be able to options, display full screen, increase the size. Let's make the colors a little bit blue. Back controls. Let's turn the camera sensitivity is not 0.1 or 0. And let's save and quit. Let's see if that works. Huh? I'm assuming it's because it's null? Wait, honestly, I think all of this should be here. Like, if we're not inside the tree. What does this mean? This doesn't make any sense. Because in... Yeah, okay. It was because there was no camera at the startup, I think. But okay, and all of this was so that hopefully the god fucking damn it. That didn't solve my... That didn't solve the issue with the inventory. Hang on, I'm gonna actually... What if I pause? What if I pause and then unpause? And then I pause again, go to here. Okay, so I have to specifically render this. I don't get it. I don't get what it means. And I don't get... What really fucks me up about this is... I don't know. But what I am going to do... Let's do that. Alright, let's just do click and rotate in the wardrobe. Let's do that. How do I do... So it might actually be camera rig. If input is mouse input event. If not... I know, if input mouse is not equal to... Alright, no, equal to... Or... So if the mouse is visible, you have to hold click. Let's see my big brain in action here. Oh, that is wonderful. Look at that. And then you go to inventory and it's all screwed up. And also, hang on. And it completely changed. Let's go to player. Camera rig. How do I do mouse acume here? Negative mouse acume times mouse SNS, and that's mouse aim. Delta times 60 times player sensitivity times... Okay. Let's just set that in the inventory. Okay, I set that here. So that's actually going to be 60 times player sensitivity. Then it'll be delta times mouse IQ times mouse SNS. I think. It still doesn't work. It's still flipped, first off. Oh, wait. What if I... hang on. Okay, now it seems to work pretty well. And then you can hold space and alt because the scroll wheel does not seem to work. But maybe I can be... maybe I can have a bigger brain and just figure out... Actually, let's just look it up. Godot scroll wheel. Oh, okay. Wheel up only has, that's annoying. Okay. So this get axis will not work because... Okay. If input... let's do something like... how can I do this? Where can I put this? Do I have an input thing? Alright, let's just put it in here. For now. Let's get action input function, get zoom. Mouse. Zoom axis. So if input dot is action, or is, what the hell is it? Action just released. Map zoom in. Return minus so that gives me that, and then map. So if the player presses the zoom button and the mouse wheel at the same time, it'll be a little weird, but that shouldn't be too bad. But let's see, it should be journal. Okay, so I'll need to do like let's do like 15 times that, maybe. Yeah, that seems pretty reasonable. And then here, flipped. Why is that flipped, actually? Oh, Christ, on a bike. Let's get... Well, no, I want Alt. So it's mouse wheel up. Forward, back, forward, back. And this one doesn't have a zoom, so that's fine. I don't know why that one is flipped. Oh, did I just flip it by accident? Yeah. Map zoom out, map zoom in. I'll just do minus here. Yeah, so now they operate the same way. Okay, nice. And that still works. So I wonder what happens. So then if you do this, alright, so it jitters a little bit, but that's okay. If you grab your mouse, I think players will reasonably expect that. And yeah, that little cheek thing there, I want to say, or want to fix. So okay. Click to rotate in wardrobe. I don't know how to do this one. I don't know how to do this one. Also, I think now it should be pretty quick to... Because now if I Alt-Tab... Because it was only... If I Alt-Tab before the game starts... Or before the game is full screen, but after the game is loaded. So maybe I can make it even simpler by, like, loading... Like, a pre-game thing. Like, just load the simplest scene that I possibly can to auto-load stuff. Actually, I wonder if I can, like, auto-load... Can I move this up or something? I can. So yeah, settings are first, then global. Maybe? No, resource preserver first, and then object pool. Let's hope I didn't break anything. I did. No, I think global goes before. Yeah. And in fact, global might need to go, or setting, yeah. That should be fine. I'm astonished that I was able to get that, whatever I did, settings thing done as quickly as I did. Man, this game sucks so much dick on keyboard and mouse. Like holding shift and then, yeah, I don't like this. The keyboard is not the place for games. Click and drag. Okay, let's put... That makes me so... This makes me so angry. I have no idea what's causing it, and I don't know why it would, like, fix itself from just opening and closing it. I don't even know a way to work around this without just, like, showing the inventory for one frame, which I'm not gonna do. Well... No, that would be terrible. I should also make sure that wardrobes still work normally. Because when you go up to one in the regular game world, it should, oh wait, I also need to make it so that the wardrobe buttons can be clicked. Maybe. Oh wait, that's not my house. This is not my beautiful house. This is not my beautiful wife. Where am I? Here? This unassuming little place. Okay, that seems to work fine. Also, why are W, A, S, and D not in my UI up, UI left, UI right? Actually, I might have done something important with this. Because I think there might have been a reason I didn't have that. Also, page up and page down should be flipped, I think. I won't deal with it too much. Why does this not get... This doesn't get any bigger. That's weird. Okay, let's get me out of here. What's the bug that I'm meant to fix today? Improve variable frame rate. Yeah, I can start that, maybe. This will be a tricky one. So frame slice. So right now, this is not accurate. Let's do like... So max physics time. What exactly do I want here? Basically, let's say that we have some time. So this is our total time. So like the previous frame time, this is CPU idle, no. Is that CPU idle step? No, it's this time accumulation. And then we have some fixed time steps. So this is like our target frame rate. So like, you know, we have some amount of thing. Then let's have a max frame slice. Or no, the time, the max time. And we have max step. Okay. So basically, I want to figure out how to get the most slices that we can get in this time between our target and max, such that whatever this is, I don't know, or such that we don't run over the time. Oh wait, I just realized we also need like a target frame rate in here, so we need an extra variable, which is like our target. Oh wait, no, it's I just realized. It's like right here. So we need the target step. Okay. So we need max, so like float max steps equals target p target frame slice. So the p target frame slice is also the amount of time, like the maximum amount of time that we want for this. Let's say that. So p target frame slice divided by no wait, no, p max. So this gives us, like in the worst case scenario from the previous frame, in order to stay under this amount of time, how many steps do we have? So the smaller this is, so if this is below 1, we have to start branching out into other things. So it'd be like a... per... And so ideally we'll take up no more than 75% of the target frame rate time. And actually this would probably be much lower in a real game, since most of the time is taken up rendering. Or like, ideally, or... Hmm. That. I guess that still needs to be there. Oh, right. Some white space was changed, so we have to compile a bunch of stuff. That shouldn't be too bad, I hope. Okay, so this was a weirdly complicated thing to figure out because these are, I guess, because these mean different things, but I'm using them in slightly different contexts. Like this is actually the target frame slice for like how much time it simulates each step. And I'm using it here as the amount of time that the physics simulations physically took, like literally took in terms of like how long it ran on the computer. So it's tricky to keep those separated, especially when I'm using the same variables for both of them. This, okay. I clicked again. That's the fun thing. So I figured out a fun little thing in PowerShell, which is if you click anywhere at any time, it freezes the application until you press again. But I suppose now that I know what it is, I can't be too mad at it, even though I think it's kind of a bad feature. It is a feature, at least. I can't believe my fucking inventory screen is broken, though. Like, irreversibly broken because I looked at it. Like, just because I looked at it. Only because I looked at it. Hmm. Alright, I want to see... common. And I'm gonna re-enable that bug that was so troublesome for me to really see if this works. So it was this one, and it was that. Let's even double it. So I'm gonna also start the profiler. So I think we should see it rock solid, hopefully. Oh, cool. I refuse to play like that. Well, this... okay. the point of the fucking scene is to not have that. The entire point of my loader scene is to not have that. Hang on. Do they use different shaders or something? But the entire point of my preloader scene is that the terrain doesn't preload. Or that the terrain doesn't, like, flash out of existence and then back into existence. Why is it invisible here? What's wrong with my camera? Okay, I'm gonna hide this color rect. Nope, wrong. Wrong. Incorrect. Okay, so it does exactly what I was afraid of, which is it doesn't queue things to load. So I have to do that now. That's just not acceptable. The entire point of my... Hang on. Let's have the directional light on for the longest period of time. Okay, maybe that works. Maybe. I'm not Wait, did that work? Hang on. No, it didn't. You have to... Okay, you just switch... What does it mean? What does it mean? Alright, was there anything else I was supposed to be doing? Oh wait, I was supposed to... Okay, yeah. I completely forgot what I was testing because I was pissed off by the shader compilation thing. Because, like, I'm not going to add a full, like, 1.5 seconds to the load time if it doesn't do anything. And it's genuinely astounding to me that I can literally, like, queue up an object, and it's so intelligent that it will stop compiling the shader asynchronously, apparently, if it goes invisible again. Like, they put so much work into making the feature less useful. Like, really going above and beyond in it. Why is the frame rate so bad now? Is it because of the gems? Like, the frame rate's really bad. I almost forgot what I was doing again. Hang on, I need a light. Okay. So the frame rate is now suddenly... Okay, so it's something wrong with... Do I need my multi-mesh thing again? I need to check what was taking so long there. But okay, let's get a guy. Okay, I just remembered why I had... How do I just get the key? What is the key? Scan code. Physical scan code. Okay. That was actually, I'm pretty sure I remember that was the reason why that was an issue. Alright, let's see if I can debugger profiler. Okay, so it's been consistent so far, despite the inconsistent frame rate, so that's good. So that means I didn't mess up the base case, which is the physics are doing good, so there's no reason to fiddle with them. And here, the physics are not doing super hot. As we can see. And the physics are not fixing themselves. So what am I doing wrong? Max physics time times max steps equals this. And that's good. Max steps times slice per max step equals time accumulated. That's correct. Wait, did I not compile it? No, I did. What if I just did p max physics time here, and then just, So this is simpler and not quite as correct as what I intend for that, but because there are still instances where, max physics time, if it's like 9 milliseconds, but it needs to run twice, then it'll cause a feedback loop. Basically, if the physics are performing badly and just the level in general is performing badly, so it causes extra cost on it. But that won't be too bad, I don't think, because those are more transient issues than, like, the physics itself is running badly. And I guess I can hide that now. It's still, like, astonishing to me that the shader preloading, it's not, look at that. The terrain was invisible the entire time. It didn't compile any of it. Now it has to compile in the game. Just ridiculous. Hang on. That's not acceptable. That's not... Can I force the shader to be synchronous? Can I set that like... The cache is... Oh, this is interesting. It says the cache is only used for Uber shaders. Okay, I'm gonna bring this over. Okay, so I'm seeing here, because my main issue was... So apparently the caching just doesn't matter. like, the caching is just useless. It doesn't do anything for me. As far as I can tell. Hang on, I need to... The cache is now only used for Uber shaders. See below. And then it doesn't explain what it means below. I'm gonna have a stroke. It doesn't explain what it means. And also, I don't know how to enable this thing. Project settings. Because I've never really used these whatever they are. So what is it, like? Where's this value set? I don't know where it's set. Can I set this in code? Hang on. Godot set shader in code. Because does this change the order? So I get worse loading times, and because I'm using custom shaders, the Uber shader doesn't do anything anyway. Can I just delete the Uber shader? I might just straight up delete it from the code. But okay, can I... There's one Uber shader per shader? But it's like white. Like, it literally doesn't work with my shaders. So it compiles this enormous shader for every single shader in the environment, and then it still doesn't, like... and ensuring they're not freed. So can I, like, wait for the shader compilation to be done? What if I... What if I do, like, let's do resource loader dot load. Let's get rid of this. So function enter tree. Interactive, so this will be var. No, so this is a resource interactive loader. So let's do, like, let's do var done loading. So it'll basically, every time it switches, it'll load another chunk of data. So hopefully that'll give us maybe enough time to switch between things. I don't know. Or like actually compile the shaders. And then we can get resource. Oh yeah, and I don't need to pause. Okay, that might work. But basically it's just like random chance if that works. I think honestly for my next project I might just use a custom engine, if only so that I have complete control over the shaders compiled. Because I'm fine with working with like 3 shaders. Like I can make that work. If it's like I need to hard code the list of shaders that are compiled, like I can just make a game with that. I think it's a bit too late for migrating this game to a custom engine. Like I actually tried and started working on it, but it's like a lot of things that I've done are already too complicated to get re-implemented, but I can just make a simpler game next time. Like, because I think a lot of this struggle is not really tangibly improving the game, and it's more just getting it up to like a baseline, or like the complexity that I've used does not help the game very much. I don't care. It'll just straight up crash if it... Like, what am I going to do? Crash the game? It's going to already crash here, so I don't care if that fails to load. I forgot to test the thing I was going to test because I'm still getting angry at this asynchronous compilation. Wait, actually, can I... So, I think this is better. Maybe. No, wait, no. Because the cache is only... And I still don't know why this is gone. I need to put that in the bugs as well. Because I implemented that specifically. Okay, does this actually... Hang on. Okay, so now it's actually going up a little bit, so it's doing a little bit better. Though it's not... It doesn't feel like it's significantly improved the performance at all. It just feels like it's... Whoa, and it feels like wicked bad. I think. Hmm. This does not... Yeah, I guess... I guess it's better. Yeah, because the physics time is going less, but no. Well... It's still taking, like... So it's... Now it's just more jagged. Is that better? Because the overall frame rate is higher, but then these spikes, I guess these go up to like what the worst case was before. I don't know. I guess this is like the absolute worst case scenario, so let's just not go to the worst case scenario. All right, let's just say good enough. Okay, whatever. Do I have bugs that are still here? So I'm officially at bugs that are, I think, less important than most of the content here. Well, I do think this one is probably more important. So yeah, I'll just say good enough. Well, I really do want to fix this one. I'll just put it there. Because tomorrow, I'm going to start working on content and do a final push to, like, get more fun stuff or whatever. I'm going to, bye.